Here's a bottom motor mount right here. Trying to get to it. This splash guard is in the way. Let's work on that. See how we're gonna get that out the way. I just have to see if I can just remove it out the way. Stand by. Okay, this is the lower right motor mount. You can see it's busted. Rubber's busted here. I got a bolt here. I got 2 nuts I got to remove here. I got my splash guard pushed to the side, held up with this bungee cord. Just kind of forced it out the way without tearing it up. Let's get this mount off. I'm going to put my jack under my oil pan here, because I need to lift some pressure off the boat, but let's see what happens. Adversity 2, today's project, removing the motor mounts. There's 3 motor mounts on this 2001 Dodge Neon. Stand by. Mount screws loose. I've got a 11/16 socket here. I got that loose. And on the other one, in the rear here, I'm using my spark plug socket. It fits pretty good. Let me get that one bolt off. Go ahead and take that off there. Make sure I got the washer and the bolt off. Have Tina to hold it. She don't want to get her hands dirty. This is Tina right here. She's standing right there. We got this support piece coming down. We're gonna have to get that out the way. Then we got another bolt back there. Get that loose, then we can slide it out. So in the meantime, we're gonna work on getting this one out first. Then we'll get the rear out. Stand by. Okay, see this bar right here? This is what's going down, and this is what I need to remove. It's right here on the side. It's easy to access if you just get your right tire off, and it connects at the bottom. That's an extension of it right there. So we're gonna just loosen this bolt up here and get that out the way. Then we can access the right lower motor mount. Stand by. Can you get down?
Ted, I'm not here.
No, you're here. Gotta make sure it's in camera. Hold it. Hold it like that.
Bugs.
Never mind. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to do it myself. Trying to get this screw off here, this nut. Got my heavy duty socket there. Tina's scared of bugs. Trying to work the camera, do this at the same time. Get that off. I got it loose. With my hand. The bug's gonna chase her away. She's on. Okay, we got the nut off with the washer, and we're gonna get this. Well, the whole thing's coming out. Okay, there we go. It's good enough. There you go. That's Tina again. She's not helping too much. She's trying. Okay, you see that? Let the back loose. So I'm gonna finish working on the front here. Unscrew this. I want Tina to do it, but she don't want her dress. I don't know what's going on. She said she wanted to help. Okay, I just dropped it down here. It's out. That's the other bolt there. Everything matches. Extension here, and you take it out the plastic. Oh. I wonder if they're gonna make a difference. Let me see. Oh, let's see. Turn this on. Let me get this flat back out the way. This, slide this back over. Make sure I got this in the right place. Yeah. Okay, this was bent. Screw trying to slide out on me. Let me get the nut for that. Forgot which one it was. They look the same. Okay, they look the same. Put that back on. You got me on camera here? No, I guess not. Get that up. Okay. Put my screw back on here. And get my flat back up with my bungee cord. Get it out the way. Bungee cord acting crazy. All right, we almost got this wrapped up. Got my washer, my nut here. Let me have a shot of that. So I got my wrench here. We're gonna make sure this is really tight. You wanna come and tighten it in and make sure it's tight? Dang.
Just make sure you tight.
Oh. Get out of my face. Mosquitoes. Dang. All right. You can try. Wow, this look. That's too big. Too small. See, we're getting this as tight as we can get it here without stripping it down. All right, you got that on? Okay, I'll do it with my screw. Missing the screw. Where's my washer and my screw? Oh. Washer and screw back on there. Mosquitoes in my ear. Let's see. Now we're gonna tighten this up. Let's pound a little bit here. All right. Let's go over here and tighten him up. We can let the jack down and move right along. Let me get on the other end of this one. My video's a little sideways here, trying to work with this. Not enough room. Maybe if I jack it up a little more. Just pressing down, making sure it's tight. looks good. We have just installed the, you got the jet skis in the background. That's the noise you're hearing. We got the lower right motor mount on the 2001 Dodge Neon, and gonna put the splash cover back in place here. Need some tie downs to get that back where it goes. But that's basically it for that side. Moving right along. Finish tightening this and I take care of that side. She's looking at something that she won't get her hands too dirty.